Hi everyone, welcome back to CrochetRocks. My name's Tracy and this is another little yarn haul video, and this is more stuff that I got from Dunelm. I had to pop near there yesterday. You can see this little wry smile. It's because I shouldn't have been buying it, but anyway, I had to pop near there to a couple of shops, and so I thought, oh, you know, I didn't get everything they had to offer. Maybe there's more stuff in today, and I had this little thing in my mind about something I could make for River, a little dress or something. And there was some yarn there that I didn't pick up the first time, that it's been playing on my mind that I should have got it and made this dress. And also I wanted to get some more of this stuff because although I bought 2 balls of it, I want to make myself a big cardigan, like a big cardigan, like long. And so I wanted lots, and they had some more, so I did get a bit more of that. So forgive me for buying even more yarn, but I got another 2. What did I buy? I actually bought another 3 of these, which takes up most of the room in the bag. So as you can see, it wasn't like lots of yarn. I just got 3 more to add to the 2 that I've already got. So I figured that is more than enough to make a big cardigan, and I might knit it. I don't know. I've not decided upon it on a pattern or anything, but my big giant balls of this wonderful stuff, which is just gonna be a landslide in a minute. Now, just to refresh your memory, they're 400 grams. I must get new batteries in this, which is 592 meters of floor, 647 yards, 100% acrylic. Very soft though, very soft. The color is called Raspberry Ripple. I love Raspberry Ripple ice cream, so it's just, well, it doesn't look like that though, but it is lovely stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous and soft, and it's the Hayfield Bonanza chunky, which is a bulky 5 across the pond chunky. Although, having said that, it does actually look fairly thick, doesn't it? But it is classed as a bulky 5, a chunky. So that is my first yarn, and now the bag is more or less empty. Apart from, this is another little purchase, non-yarn related, but I decided to get this because although I've got a glass jug with glasses, if you want to take your cocktail like Purple Rain, there is a recipe for Purple Rain over on Diet Rocks. Or is it Diet Rocks? Or Rocksteady? One of my other channels, I put it on there. And it's my favourite one. So this would be perfect for the garden because it's plastic. And that was in Dunelm, and it's only £6. So I figured, and they're nice and colourful as well, the glasses, the beakers, whatever you want to call them. So I put that over there. I didn't realise that was still in there, taking up even more space. So you see, yarn wise, there's not a great deal of yarn, apart from in money, because those were £11 per ball. 11. Gee, it's going to be a very expensive cardigan if I ever get round to making it. So the yarn that I saw that I really wanted to get, and I have got some fluffy yarn, but this is just to be used as a fur trim. It's Sirdar Snuggly in Bunny. It's called Bunny, and it's this lovely grey colour. Now they're using these donuts, which are not the best for finding info. This shade is 0312, and it is 100% polyamide, and which is nylon. 50 grams, yes, we know that, but I'm trying to find a meterage. Any meterage you want to provide me, which I don't have to break the yarn band for. No, can't see it. It possibly might be on the back of it, but I don't know. I don't think so, actually. Looking, can't see it. So anyway, this is my new yarn. This one is going to be the fur trim, And I bought, you've probably all seen this before, Hayfield Baby Blossom DK. Now this is the ones that you can buy, the blossom yarn that makes those cute little flowers. But I know Charlotte likes things like black and unusual colours for babies. So I wanted to get this one because it's grey with these flower, which is, you know, the pink, the green and the white. And I really kind of liked it. So this is Hayfield Baby Blossom in DK, which is a 3 weight, and this shade is number 0356. Beautiful and soft, as you might imagine. It's 332 meters or 362 yards. It's 70%. I'm breaking this face in for someone else. 70% acrylic and 30% polyamide nylon. And anything else you want to tell me? Don't think so, but it's gorgeous. I really like that. So as River is still very, very tiny, she's poorly at the moment. She's got a little, she's got a bad throat, bless her. So it is going around. I got these. She didn't catch it from me because mine's non-contagious. So that was that, and I thought I'd make her a nice little dress and trim it in fur. Perfect for the summer. Well, it can be nippy here in the summer. So then I thought, well, you know, as I'm getting the grey, I might as well get the pink. So I did. I got this one. They do one that is really, really pale, like the Poundland one that I used to get. But this one's more vibrant pink, which I kind of liked. So again, it's the 332 meters, 362 yards, 70% acrylic, 30% nylon or polyamide, depending on where you come from. And the shade on this one is 0350. And I got 2 of these. So here's my bill, my receipt. Let's have a little looky. Bunny cost me £3.50. £3.50 for a 50-gram ball that is not particularly good, but it's Sirdar. Always expensive. Well, always more expensive than others. The Bonanza Raspberry Ripple, which told you was £11 a ball. Remember that one? That's stuck in my mind. This Baby Blossom is £3.50. So you're getting 100 grams of this for £3.50, where you're getting 50 grams of this one. So these are £3.50. I think that was it, wasn't it? Blossom, 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 Blossom. Raspberry Ripple. And £6 for my tumbler with my... So you see, I didn't go crazy. I didn't go and break the bank exactly. I just picked up something that I will use because I'll use it with River. And I eventually will make myself a nice long cardigan. Maybe. That's the plan at the moment. Whether that changes and I end up making something else with it, we'll have to see. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like that. I really, really love this. Can't wait to use it. Just need to figure out a really nice dress pattern. And then I'll share it with you. So, thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Take care. See you on the next one. Bye for now.